Hi, I am Pim, and I will guide you through this tutorial. This is the first of a series of tutorials on the basics of WEM. In this tutorial we will explore the WEM Modeler. First, we log into the WEM dashboard. Next, we start the WEM Modeler. After arriving there, we will look at the main elements of it. Let's get started. We go to the WEM website, wem.io. There we hit Login. This will bring us to the login page of the WEM dashboard. Since I already have a WEM account, I continue to log in. After providing my credentials, I receive a 6-digit code which I need to enter here. In the upper right corner of the WEM dashboard, you'll find the Go to Modeler button. This will bring us to the home page of the Modeler. On the right, you see lots of resources which can be helpful. On the left, you see my projects. I have one workspace with 5 projects. But you can have multiple workspaces with lots of projects. The search box will help you find a specific project in that case. Under Recent, you see the projects I've been working on recently. When you hit the Manage Projects and Workspace button, on the right side an overview of all workspaces and projects will appear. Here you can manage their settings. For now, we take a look at the Orders project. I click the name to open it in the Modeler. In the main pane, we see the main characteristics of this project. On the left, we see 7 tabs. Let's view them one by one. The first tab contains a tree structure with all flowcharts of my application. By double-clicking a flowchart, it will open in the main pane. We can add new flowcharts. We can also add folders to organize our flowcharts when our project is growing. You can simply move a flowchart by dragging it to the new location. The second tab contains our data model. Data is kept in several lists. Each list has multiple fields, holding information like a customer name, an order date, etc. Here, you can also create folders to organize the lists in your project. You can even create folders in your lists to organize the fields in the list. The third tab contains everything concerning integration. WEM can easily integrate with other applications using all major integration protocols. But we won't be touching this in our WEM Getting Started series. The fourth tab contains everything around concepts. Concepts form a very powerful element of WEM, although most WEM users will only use them for creating selection lists. The fifth tab contains navigation items. Here you'll find the menu structure of your project. Under the main menu, for instance, we can see the home menu item. The sixth tab contains some additional elements. These go beyond the scope of this WEM Getting Started series. And finally, the seventh tab will contain the dictionary in case you make your WEM application multilingual. Right now it is empty. Now let's move up and click Settings. Here you can change the settings of your project. On the right, you can change the security settings of your project. And below, you can change the settings of the portals in your project. Each project can have multiple portals. In this case there is only one. Next, by clicking Preview, we can view our application in running mode. One of the great features of WEM is that you can view your application while building it. By publishing, you can make your application available for testers and end users. You'll need a WEM license to be able to use this functionality. Documentation will take you to the documentation site. Here you can find answers to most questions you'll get when using WEM. This concludes our guide tour through the Modeler. Time to try it out yourself. Creating a WEM account is easy and free of charge. At PIM, we are open for any questions you might have. You can contact us at support@pim21.com.